Hello students, welcome to DG classes of Christchurch Convent School. I am Purnima Shukla, and in previous class you study about some introductory of biology. That means what is the meaning of biology and what are the branches of biology. That is the basic branches and applied basic biology and applied biology. Today we talking about the basic biology and applied biology, some short introduction of some branches, and you get the knowledge about the biology, their scope. So listen, basic biology, there are the biology about the basic features of the living organism, about their nomenclature, about their name. So this is study in taxonomy. Second is morphology, about the external feature of the animals and plants, their shape, size, color. Biochemistry, about the biochemicals of the living organism, their reactions. Molecular biology, about some molecules of the living organism which are important for their life, like carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, proteins, etc. Physiology, about the metabolic activities of the living organism, like respiration, breathing, excretion, reproduction, digestion. In plants, transpiration, ascent of shape, osmosis. Okay. Embryology, to study about the embryo. Ecology means to study about the environment and their relation with the living organism. Genetics, to study about the genes of the living organism. Bacteriology, to study about the bacteria. Virology, to study about the virus. Bryology, about the bryophytes. Paleontology, to study about the fossil organism, fossil plant or fossil animals. Exobiology, about the outer features of the living organism or their outer habitat, and they are the animals or living organisms which are present in the outer space of the earth. So that are studied in the exobiology. Evolution, about the development of the living organism, how they developed. Like first they are the early man, and then they are now there is a modern man. So how they developed. Economic biology, about the economic uses of the living organism. Pathology, that means to study about the microorganisms which produce diseases, to diagnose them, how to diagnose them. Biogeography, about the geographical features of the living organism, about their habitat. Then parasitology, to study about the parasites. Algology, to study about the algae. Mycology, that branch which study about the fungus, fungi. So these are some important branches of basic biology. Now applied biology. Applied biology means the biology which is useful for us, for human beings, for economical purpose, for medical purpose, for living purpose. So first is apiculture, to produce honey. Forming of the honey bee is called as apiculture. Sericulture, in this forming of silkworm to produce silk. Pisciculture, to culture the fishes, to produce more and more good quality of fishes for food. Agronomy, about the agriculture. Dairy science, about the dairy product, how to manage, how to produce more and more milk. Horticulture, about the flowers, how to develop good quality and more varieties of flowers and other crops. Animal husbandry, how to manage and cure about the domestic animals like cow, buffaloes. Forestry, how to manage the forest So these study in the forestry and to produce more and more timber and to how to plantation, how the plantation can be done. So this is done in forestry. Poultry science to study about the chicks, like chicken and geese, ducks, to produce more egg. Genetic engineering, to study about the genes, how to use them to produce hybrid variety and how to produce vaccines, and how to use them in biotechnology, means about improved varieties of the plant or animals that are useful for us. So that's all about the basic biology and applied biology. So this is all about the introduction of the biology. Now you know about it, what is biology and what are the scope of biology. It is very vast, because the living organisms are very vast. There is various types of living organism around us. So biology is very interested. In the next class we studied about our syllabus chapter 1. Thank you.